Hi everybody, this is Sifu Jensen. I'm here with Sean Lim, and I'm going to show you some of the self-defense techniques from the form known as Lianbu, or linking or connecting steps. And this is a foundation level form for developing your stances, your footwork, and some very powerful basic techniques. I learned this form from my teacher, Grandmaster Wong Jackman. And it's part of the Northern Shaolin system, but it's practiced by many other martial arts as well as a foundation form to learn basic stances and techniques. So now as we begin this technique, I'll be in my bow and arrow stance, and I've done a palm strike with my right palm. Sean's grabbing me with his right hand here. So this has a couple of parts. This hand is the bracing palm. This technique is called stripping the opponent's hand with the bracing palm. So the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my hand, or start turning my hand over, which is going to weaken his grip here a little bit. And then I'm sliding my hand down, and it's important that your hand is touching your arm. The back of your hand is touching the underside of your arm, and we slide down here, and I'm going to strike his hand, and then this hand is twisting, and I'm pulling back with my shoulder. But the most important point of the power is to sit down into my horse stance suddenly, dropping my weight back, using my weight suddenly, falling to give me the power and the suddenness to break free from his grip. It's very similar in that regard to our first Tan Toi line break grab.